Hi, today we're going to talk about something that you can do to replace wine and cheese before dinner. A lot of my patients, when they first started the program, they would tell me that they can't wait to get home and have their wine and cheese or wine and crackers and cheese or something like that as they prepare dinner because at the end of the day, they need to unwind, they need to relax the nervous system, they need to take their attention completely off work, and they need something dense to sort of activate the production of dopamine in the brain, which will make them more relaxed and happier and so forth. So they get addicted to this behavior, which is really not the right behavior if you're trying to get healthy. Can you imagine having all of these calories right before dinner and then eating dinner? And for a lot of people, after dinner, they have to also eat something else and stay up late and not get enough sleep and all of that. So it's not really a healthy behavior. It's probably a little enjoyable for a lot of people, but it's not healthy. So as we do with life coaching, we wanted to give them a very good replacement, a better replacement for wine and cheese. Here's what we recommended. Number one, when you get home, don't check your mail. Don't do anything. Just get into this frame of mind, into this environment that you're going to build for yourself to replace wine and cheese. Turn on some music, easy listening music, beautiful music in the background. Take a shower if you needed to, which is actually very advisable. Some of my most successful patients actually did that. And have a big bowl of cut up vegetables, the vegetables that you're supposed to eat anyways, the vegetables that are a part of your daily consumption anyways, to be healthy and be fit and slim. You would have a big tray or bowl of these cut up vegetables, and you'll have a little dip, a healthy dip, let's say something like low oil hummus, and you eat your vegetable servings. A lot of people can, when they're replacing wine and cheese, they can eat a ton of cut up vegetables as they go through this transition. So you secure your vegetables, you have the dip, you're starting to get a little full, and as a drink instead of the wine, you can have either plain green tea iced or flavored green tea iced. You can add some stevia to it and make it really sweet and very enjoyable. And you can sip on this. What green tea will do is two things. One, it has a little bit of caffeine, which will keep you alert and engaged and more in the present moment. And it also has a chemical, a naturally occurring chemical called L-theanine, which calms the nervous system down. It is more effective than wine, by the way. So if you get used to this behavior, one, you're getting all of the benefits that you can get from the vegetables. You don't have to have vegetables unless you want to with your dinner. So dinner can be just what it is that you decided to make for dinner. You can eat what you really like for dinner. You'll end up eating dinner on a full stomach, which means you're not going to be overeating. So if you eat slowly, if you apply the 30-30 rule, which is 30 bites for every 30 chews for every bite and 30 minutes for the whole meal, then you're going to end up actually eating a very small dinner, which is wonderful. So one, you don't have the wine necessarily, you have the tea, which has the antioxidant, the L-theanine, and the caffeine effects on the body. It'll help you sleep, by the way, although it has the caffeine. Number two, you have a lot of vegetables, so you secure that. Number three, you end up eating less dinner of whatever it is that you're cooking. You have music in the background. You're relaxed. You had just taken a shower, and you're not engaged in anything but that. So if there's a big discussion to have in the family, don't have it during that time. Don't have it at dinner, and don't have it after dinner because you're getting the body ready to sleep. Schedule these things, have it on the weekends, and have these things at certain times. The same thing is true for mail. Don't check your mail on a daily basis. Just collect all of the mail in one box and tackle it on Saturday morning, let's say, and just get it done all at the same time. Okay, so that would be the strategy to take to replace wine and cheese. It does work. It does relax you. It does give you what the body needs, and it puts you in a frame of mind where you can actually start seeing results in terms of wellness, fitness, and slimness. Enjoy. Hi, this is Dr. Matar again. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe so you can get the future videos. If you're new to the channel, what I do here is I discuss cases of my most successful patients who struggled with diet and exercise, yet were able to achieve at the end of their programs a well, fit, and slim life. I want the same for you, so if you have any questions or comments, please send them my way. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.